Hello everyone, I'm Naneshwari Chidrawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, we will learn Apollonius theorem. This is the application of Pythagoras theorem. Whenever we see right angle triangle, first thing that comes to our mind is Pythagoras theorem. Similarly, whenever we see median, here P is the median, this side is equals to this side. Whenever we see median in a triangle, first thing that should come to our mind should be Apollonius theorem. Understood? So, in a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is this side square plus this side square is equals to hypotenuse square. A square plus B square is equals to C square, hypotenuse square. So, let's see what is Apollonius theorem. See, on this side, we have drawn the median. Let's take the other remaining two sides. A square plus B square is equals to, we have taken this side square plus this side square, is equals to twice of median square, 2p square plus twice of x square. This is Apollonius theorem. Understood? Now let's see the proof of Apollonius theorem. Consider this triangle. Here this side is of length A, this is of length B. This is the median of length P. This median divided the third side in two equal parts, x and x. Okay, let's prove this Apollonius theorem. Now for that, let's draw one altitude here. This is the altitude. Okay, consider this side is of length D and this side is of length M. See, this is x and out of this is M. So what is this side? X minus M. Simple. Till now we have just drawn this altitude. Now let's prove Apollonius theorem. See, because of this altitude, can you imagine three right angle triangles here? See, this is first right angle triangle. Okay. This is second right angle triangle, small one, and third is this big triangle. Fine. Whenever we see right angle triangle, let's apply Pythagoras. So Pythagoras theorem in this first right angle triangle. See, this is A is the hypotenuse. So A square is equals to D square plus D square. X minus M whole square. This is our first equation. Clear? Let's apply Pythagoras in this triangle. P is the hypotenuse. So P square is equals to D square plus M square. Fine? Now let's apply Pythagoras in the third triangle, this big triangle. Okay? B is the hypotenuse. B square is equals to D square plus this side square. This side is X plus M. Fine? Now we got three equations. Difficult part is already over. From this we can prove this. See, here we want A square plus B square term. So let's add this A square plus B square. And let's check after adding this whether we'll get this or not. Okay. Now here I am adding A square plus B square. Equation 1 plus equation 3. So on RHS what we will get? D square plus X minus M whole square plus D square plus X plus M whole square. When we open this bracket, we will get D square plus X square minus 2XM plus M square. Now again this plus D square plus opening this bracket X square plus 2XM plus M square. In addition this gets cancelled. So we are left with 2D square plus 2X square plus 2M square. Fine? See, here we want P square and X square terms. See, we already got 2X square term. Now let's simplify this. See, this is 2D square plus 2M square. Using second equation, D square plus M square is P square. So we can directly write this is 2P square plus 2X square. Okay, got it? This is the Apollonius theorem. See, whenever you are drawing a median on third side, then for the remaining two sides, A square plus B square is equals to twice of median square, 2P square plus 2X square. Fine? Now let's take one example. Here in this example, what is given? Triangle PQR is given and the length PR is 17, QR is 12, PQ is 11 units. Then we have to find PS median value. See, here PS is the median. PR is 17, so this side is 17, QR is 12, complete side length is 12, okay, and PQ is 11. PS is median, that's why RS is equals to SQ, so this is 6 and 6. We have to find median value, this PS value. Can we find it using Apollonius theorem? See, PS is the median, so Apollonius theorem says 17 square plus 11 square, this side square plus this side square is equals to twice of this, twice of PS square plus twice of this, either this or this, okay, 2 into 6 square. If we solve this, we will get PS, okay. 70 square 289 plus 121 is equals to 2 PS square plus this is 36 into 2, 72. Now this is 0, 1, 4. 410 is equals to 2 PS square plus 72. 72 on this side, so it is 410 minus 72, it's 8, 3 and 3 is equals to 2 PS square. So 2 PS square is equals to 338. PS square is equals to 169. So PS is equals to 13. Easy. This median length is 13. Now let's solve one interesting problem. Consider that there are 3 trees in a straight line and they are equidistant. This distance is equals to this distance, okay, and to water these trees there is one water source. Position of it we don't know, okay, and there are 3 pipes connected to water source and these 3 plants. To water first tree, first pipe is used and the length of first pipe is, say, P1 is equals to 22 units. To water second tree, second pipe is there and length of that pipe is 26 units, okay, and to water third tree, third pipe is there and length of third pipe is 34 units. Fine. Now then we have to find distance between these 3. Pause this video, take screenshot, try to solve this problem on your own, then match your answer with mine. Now let's solve this problem together. Here we have to find D, okay. Now position of water supply is unknown. Water supply may be on this line or outside this line, okay, where it is we don't know, but the pipe lengths are given. P1 is 22, P2 is 26 and P3 is 34. By adding any of these 2 pipes, P1 plus P2, we can say this length is greater than P3. So from that we get to know that water supply is not on this straight line. Water supply is outside this, here or here, we don't know. Consider that it is here. And from that water supply, 3 pipes are there to water these 3 plants. And the length of these pipes are given 22, 26 and 34. Okay. Now consider this as a triangle and this is the median of that triangle. This sides divides the other sides. This is equals to this. Fine. So this is the median. So let's apply Apollonius theorem here. Whenever we see median, apply the Apollonius theorem. So according to Apollonius theorem, 22 square, this side square plus this side square, 34 square is equals to twice of median square, 2 into 26 square plus 2 into d square. Fine. When we solve this, we will get the value of d. Okay. Let's quickly solve this. 22 square is 484 plus 34 square. 34 square means 30 plus 4 square. So this is 900 a square plus 2ab. It is 120 into 2, 240 plus b square 16. So this is 1156 is equals to 26 square is 676 into 2. So this value is 2513 plus 2d square. Now after solving this, we will get 2d square is equals to 288. D square is equals to 144. So value of D is 12 units. Okay, easy.